What I want is Kenny here from Profit Stories. So I think it's time that we address this elephant in the room. There's a difference between eligible and affordable. Okay, you're eligible to get the loan. You can afford to service the loan. It's two different things. Eligibility here simply means the banks, after going through your documents, said you're eligible for the loan. Remember, eligibility, they only take into account things that is in your secrets. Okay, your commitment in your secrets. While affordability, you have to add things that is not in your secrets. For example, your living costs, your cost of living, your insurance payment. Okay, very obvious cost of living, insurance payment, and your emergency expenses. Maybe this month got some emergency, so need to pay. So what if you take something, you buy something, and bank say, okay, sir, you are eligible. Okay, miss, you are eligible to get this loan. And this loan is 80% of your take-home pay, 80% of your net income. If your net income is like 100,000 a month, 80,000, maybe okay lah, okay? 20,000 still can live. Very luxuriously, I might add. But if it's 5,000 net and 80% of it goes to the servicing the loan, can you still afford to service the housing loan? Can you still afford to service the housing loan? You're eligible for loan, yes, because banks maybe take up 80% of the loan, but can you afford to service the loan? Remember, taking a housing loan, right, is not a 30-day or 30-month thing. It's a 30 years thing, okay? And most people, when they buy a house, they will live for more than 10 years. They will live in that house for more than 10 years, 10, 15 years maybe. I don't know how long the average home ownership in Malaysia is, but I would guess roughly around 15 years. Can you service the loan for 15 years? 15 years after that, you have to go, most of them will buy a new one, upgrade, or, sell or live downgrade. Quite rare. But the point is, don't confuse the bank saying you're eligible for a loan with you yourself knowing that you can afford to service the loan. Okay? That's all I want to share with you today on affordability and eligibility. If you need our services, you know where to find us. Just click the link down below. I appreciate if you can email me questions at chikayatana@gmail.com. I leave the email down in the link description down below. And as always, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you again next video. Bye-bye.